Yo, hey guys, Ken Perryman here, and check this out. I'm not even doing the typical unboxing in front of my desk because, well, this guy is pretty cool. We're just gonna get right into it. So, one thing you do have to prep ahead of time, you saw it over here, the other camera, is get you some bubbly. What I mean by bubbly is I mean some bubbly water. All right. There it is. So let's just go ahead and get right to it. Got some shrink wrap wrapped around this bad boy. All right, got this guy. Where is it? Oh, there it is. So you got a filter here. Shove it right into this tube. And then with the length of this tube, you're gonna shove that bad boy in there. Drop it down into your water. This is your work tool. Pull that down, lock it in. You are locked in. Now, what else it comes with is a soapy foamer. If you wanna go ahead and do that, you do have two sets of heads here. You do have your spray nozzle, high pressure spray nozzle connection. You'll just lock that in, twist it, then lock in one of your nozzles. And you have a choice of different types. This is going to be single point, and then this is going to be a fan blade on the white side. What you also have, real quick, is this nozzle that will go with the spray foamer that'll just thicken and spray a lot of, well, it will thickly, as if that's a word, spray foam all over stuff. Like as an example, I'm going to wash the car here. I'm going to wash a little bit of the sidewalk. So let's go ahead and put our wide nozzle. There we go. Put that in. Now, most importantly, what is the coolest feature about this is no running around with power cords. Boom. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take this off until I can get, check it out. We got to purge the line. And look at that. All right, put that on, make sure it's locked in. Let's see how we look with the spray. Oh, that is pretty nice, guys. All right, let's get this out of the way. I am going to grab this other nozzle just in case. Let me show you something here. Wow. Look at that. Wow, that is pretty darn nice. Switch out the nozzle. I'm gonna put in this guy, see what it does. Yeah, direct spray. So if you're looking for those little finite points to pull some of that debris off, you don't want to put this on the car so much, but what it will do is clean up some of those spot points on your sidewalk. There's a pretty good length on this. I'm telling you, it's pretty good. All right, so here's what I strongly recommend, and I'm gonna show this to you here. So when you're using soap, and you're using this for a sprayer and a soap, recommend you get another 5-gallon bucket or larger, whatever size you want, of clear water. So what you wanna do is go around your vehicle, spray it down real good, get all that dust off, use the soapy water to get that dust and dirt off your car. Once you get all that off, come back with clear water to spray off all the soapy suds. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that up and show you that real quick here. Just gotta get the bucket full. Okay, let's go back at it, guys. Ready? All right, you got to make sure you keep that plunger down there, guys. You don't want it floating too much. There you go. I didn't use up that much water. Now, this thing is super portable, super easy. You just need to prep up a couple buckets of water as opposed to trying to run a garden hose and run it all the way out to wherever you're going. I mean, it's completely portable to wherever you want it to go, wherever you can get water. If you can get water and carry it to wherever it is, middle of the street, parking lot, you want to do some washing, maybe you need to wash someplace where you can't get a garden hose to. This guy is going to work for you. Now, I'm also going to tell you something. This is a Range Rover. I don't put pressure washers against Range Rover. And what I mean by pressure washers is I mean the ones that have super high pressure that can blow off your paint. This guy has great pressure, but not too much. Just enough to get the residue and debris off the car. At least that's how I can tell right now. It's strong, but not overpowering. It's obviously much better than a regular garden hose, but it gives you just that added pressure to spray on the car to knock off and kick off the dust off your car. So I gotta go do the other side. I've got plenty of water, it looks like. So I'm just gonna switch back over to soap, wash the other side, and go to town. And that's as simple as that. Swap it over, put your gun over here, pick up your bucket of water. There you go. Now, make sure that bucket's centrally located. Okay. One thing I'm a little bit, that I'd like to maybe see a little improvement on is, while it's not a big deal and it's expected from motors that function with batteries, is this top pin gets a bit warm. It's not unbearable, it's just warm. You notice it. It is noticeable, and sometimes you just want to move your hand down a little bit further. The battery, I would love to see a little push button on here that tells me how much battery I have left. Also, you only get one battery in the pack, so it would be nice if maybe there was an option, and there may be an option, but in my case, there was only one battery. What would be really nice is to have a second battery on the charger charging while you're working with the other one. So if you ever do run out, boom, you just switch over, you're good to go. I hope this was helpful for you. I really do appreciate your time, and I'm out.